serious work that went into this. How do you even look at this and be like, ah, I'm gonna put a trail here? Holy shit! Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? Don't let up, because it keeps going. I ate a spider. Oh, God. I don't know what to f***ing do at this point. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm testing out the best extreme tire you've never heard of. It's the Plews Tough One Spec.B. Now, I know what you're asking. What is a Spec.B? What the heck is a Plews? And how do you even spell Plews? Well, I'm going to try to answer at least a few of those questions, so stick around. Plews Tires is a UK-based tire manufacturer that has really been making strides in the hard enduro scene. The Plews Tough One is an FIM spec hard enduro gummy tire that comes at a 140 size. I've run this tire previously and I was very impressed with its performance and longevity. It compares well to the Michelin Extreme enduro tire. But what I've always hated about these FIM gummy tires is the short knob height. It's an unnecessary compromise forced by silly FIM regulations. Well, Plews Tires has an answer to that, and it's called the Tough One Spec.B. It's the same tire as the original Tough One, but with taller knobs. And on this ride, I can tell you that it works really well. This is the perfect trail to put this tire to the test. It is slick, it's got roots and rocks, it's got loamy dirt and creek crossings. It's a real torture test. So stay tuned and watch as this tire makes up for my lack of skill on one of the hardest trails around. It's tough with that root right at the end of it. Yeah. For the life of you, holy shit! Whoa! Holy shit! Fucking awesome!
Yeah. That was a good climb.
Dude. Oh, come on! Try first gear to start? I don't know. Yeah. Brutal. Are you kidding me? Alright, now, just gotta get the back tire above the rock. I got her. Let me get out of the way and I'll come help you. Just pop it. Yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah.
awesome. Oh, the sun makes it hard to see where I'm going. Street crossing. This looks fun. Woo! It does look fun, but left or right is the question. Yeah, probably. Don't let up, because it keeps going. Just ate a fucking bug. I ate a spider. Oh god. Okay, second gear. Lots of throttle. I know. Right out of a creek. Okay. Oh no! Give it more send! Oh! There you go, traction. Oh. Huh. Alright. Nothing else to do but try it again. Oh yeah! I'll take it! Good enough! Yeah, you got it. Look at that tire didn't work. Woo! I swear to God, this trail. Climb after climb. Oh! Wrong gear. Kind of steep. Okay, maybe. Oh, I can't go back at all though. Come on, bike, why don't you just do what I want you to do? Nothing like deadlifting a 250-pound motorcycle. Seriously? All I gotta do is get up there. That wasn't it. That's not it at all. I don't know what to fucking do at this point. Oh. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! That ain't it, Turbo.
I'm thinking bypass.
Bypass it is.